guys, we are back at it again with another vlog. Today we are going to Base Community's car meet slash car events at a warehouse. But first we're gonna go wash the car, so let's see how that goes. Okay, we're here at the car wash now. I'm about to go ahead and wash this rip up because it is pretty fucking dirty. Yeah, check back in with you guys in a few. Out here at the Base Community meet, super crowded, a lot of JDMs. So we're gonna do a bit of walking around, see what's here, what's to enjoy. Huge turnout. Yeah. Check out the madness. So that's it, guys. The Base Community meet was pretty dope. Went to a private kickback. Now I'm off to Midnight Sudoku, and yeah, I'll probably get a little bit of footage there, but I think I'm just going to leave it at that and whatnot. Check back with you guys later. Now I'm headed out to... Have a good day. Yeah, trying to get to the freeway. Yeah, I'm gonna check it out for a bit. Type shit. See you later. So I made it to the midnight Sudoku meet and the second waypoint. This place packed as fuck. Look at this. At the last spot, this will be it for tonight. I'm gonna get some tacos and call it a night. I forgot to end it earlier, but yeah. So that's all for tonight, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. It was a great event, a lot of crazy stuff, a lot of random stuff. Yeah, see you guys next time.